Hello everybody. Yes, here's another update about how we're handling everything. Okay, I wanted to do a video a little bit earlier this week, but it was a bit of a rough week, busy weekend, and yeah, I was a bit tired earlier the week. It's been one of those weeks. I'm extremely busy at work, and yeah, with the kids, Claudia just had a national competition and Stefan's having a national competition for sport in next weekend. So we're driving everywhere. Okay, so what have changed and what stayed the same since I started on this journey? Most of the things actually stayed the same. I mean, normal day, everything, get up, go to work, come home, help at the house with all the chores and doing things. And yeah, so driving around with kids, helping, and so most of your proper life things stayed exactly the same. Where big changes are is in small lifestyle things. My diet, last time I said that I don't smoke anymore, don't drink alcohol, but I think most probably the biggest change is not being able to do exercise and be active. For somebody that used to be extremely active, either mountain biking or rock climbing or hiking, this is quite something to get used to. And that was sort of my coping mechanism my whole life, is to go out and get on a bicycle or go and hike or go climb a rock face to deal with harsh situations in my life. And now it's not possible because I'm not allowed to do any of those. So that's something to get used to, but it's all good. And yeah, I don't know, I'll have to find something else to do and teach myself how to cope with that. Then on Monday I had a bit of a not a lucky day. I didn't enjoy life really on Monday, not in a bad way, it was just not a good day. I was, the whole weekend, Claudia was doing national climbing competition, so we were in connection with the climbers the whole time, and we were in climbing gyms in Joburg, and I couldn't climb anything. I couldn't even touch a grip, and that was sort of, I think, played on my mind on Monday, is when will I be able to do that again, if I will be able to do that again one day. I think that was the biggest question. You never think about something when you're doing it, that it might be the last time that you do it. And I think that was getting to me. Would I ever be able to hike up to the Drakensberg and spend a night with my kids up in the cave in the Drakensberg? It's all those things just came to me on Monday, and it was a bit of a crazy day. So but then again, it is quite a situation that I'm in, and I think everybody is allowed to have a bad day. I don't think I should punish myself for having a bad day. I think it's just human to not always be the A-class student. Not that I've ever been an A-class student. So, but yeah, I don't think it's necessary to always pretend that you are coping, and it doesn't help you hide it. It's better to let the people around you know, because then they can help you with it. Yeah, then the other thing, if there's things that you want to know, further questions, please ask it in the comments or on Facebook or wherever you see the video, and then I can maybe work it into another video, and then maybe we can help somebody somewhere along the line with all the blind rambling that I'm having. Hope you guys have an awesome week and enjoy.